Hey everyone, I'm really excited today. Guess what? I've got my hands on an awesome Bambu Lab X1 carbon combo 3D printer, and it's a really exciting day for me. Yay! First things first, we've got to unbox this bad boy. So let's remove all the foams and plastic we've got in here, all the tapes that we have. The cardboard box contains the accessories. Inside is the AMS, sitting on a plastic support and both are on a print bed. To remove the AMS unit, remove it with the screws. To release the heat bed, there are 3 screws that needs to be removed, marked by the arrow. Let's see what we have got with this. Display, glue stick, spool holder, spare hot ends, spare nozzle cleaner, blades, few cables, L key, needles, magnets, grease and few screws. Next up is the advanced multi-material system. It sounds so fancy. Hello AMS. And peeling plastic is fun. Here we have got some extra tubes. To control the humidity inside, we have got some desiccant bags in 2 compartments. We'll remove the desiccant plastic cover and gently tug into the spot inside AMS. Time to plug in cables. Next, we'll connect the screen. It's like giving a face to a printer. The printer is coming to life, people. Before printing, we'll need to apply a glue stick. Remove the instruction. AMS is the keeper of filaments, so let's add the filaments. Now comes the moment I've been waiting for. Powering on. Language selection time. TikTok. Wi-Fi connection, QR code scan, and we're in. We'll follow the instructions and agree. Join calibration. Printer needs to calibrate the current environment. Alright, next. And calibrate. Yep. Once the calibration is completed, click next and start printing. Yay, print time. Some lube issue. Let's click on yes. Yeah, we'd like to update and click on update. Yes. Okay, it's been updated. Let's go to settings and folders. Let's select Burr Puzzle and we have the filament type that we can select over there, and it also shows 10 gram and 30 minutes it's gonna take. And let's print. The printing process consists of 5 steps: the bed preheating, nozzle cleaning, auto bed leveling, sweeping XY mech mode, and calibrating extrusion. And the printing starts here. It checks if the first layer is done properly and then prints again. 97% completion and it looks good. I mean, really good. Okay, the print is completed and we have few options as well, but we want to close it. And let's see how it looks. Let's remove it. The removal was easy. I would say a bit easy. And this is the final product. Hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you.